Today we're going to prepare lemongrass chicken on broken rice, and we're going to do it in the air fryer. We're going to use 2 cups of broken rice and cook it per your rice cooker's instructions. With the 2 stalks of lemongrass, we bruise the end bits with the back of a knife. Cut the end. Peel the outer bits. And then chop it finely. We have 4 chicken thigh fillets, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 lemongrass stalks, 2 garlic cloves already grated, 1 teaspoon caster sugar, and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix them all together to marinate the chicken. Set the chicken aside to absorb the flavor while we prepare the Nuoc Cham sauce. We'll prepare the Nuoc Cham sauce. In a bowl, put 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, and the juice of 1 lime, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 long red chilli, and 2 garlic cloves. Whisk them together until the sugar is fully dissolved. We're going to preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes. If you have the grill plate, you can use the grill plate. Air fry the chicken around 18 minutes, so that's 9 minutes on each side. Once done, I'm going to put them on a plate. It smells so good. We're going to serve the chicken with a bowl of broken rice, fried egg, cucumber and tomato, the Nuoc Cham sauce, and coriander for garnish.